Hi viewers. Welcome back. In this video, we will make a creative logo with the help of the Shape Builder tool. The tutorial is very easy, and after watching this video you can easily make your own logo. Watch till the end to learn how to make this logo. So, let's start this video. First of all, I am selecting a 1080 by 1080 size artboard. Now I am selecting the line segment tool and drawing a vertical line. Then by pressing the Alt key, I am making its copy and again make another copy by pressing Ctrl D. I select these three lines and group them and align them to the center. Now I am taking an ellipse tool and drawing a circle. I make its copy by copy and paste in front option present in Edit on the Properties bar. Then I decrease the size of circle. I make a copy of both two circles and drag them downward. I group these four circles and align them to the center of the artboard. Then I draw a horizontal line. Make its copy by holding the Alt key, drag the line down, and adjust the lines in sequence. I make a copy of two lines, drag them downward, and set them with the same sequence as the setup on the upper circles. Then I make a copy of the third line and move it a little bit upward in a sequence of my design. I ungroup these three lines, make a copy of the center one and move it to the left side. I select all the lines and circles, select the Shape Builder tool and choose red color. Now I am making shapes. Here I make the first shape and clear corners on the edges. Now I make the second shape. I make third and fourth shapes. I am ungrouping shapes from lines and circles. I select the shapes which I need by pressing the Shift key and cutting them out. Then I delete the useless lines from the artboard. I paste my cut part on the artboard. And again ungroup and delete the remaining lines from the design. I group and design and align it to the center. Rotating my design and ungroup. I turn off the stoke of design. I am filling the brown shades and tints in my design. Now you see that our logo is almost ready. I am creating the background by Rectangle tool. I fill light color in the background. I group my design again. From Effects, I am applying the Drop Shadow effect to my design. I set Offset 0, Mode Normal, and Blur 10px. I ungroup the design and move the triangle shape on corner of other shape. And again apply the Drop Shadow effect. Now our logo has successfully completed. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Also, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all my videos on time.